How's it going, guys? This is your boy Jacob here, back with another video. Now in today's video I have a script for a game called The Hood. Now you guys have been requesting this for as long as I can remember, and I'm here to bring it for you guys. It is the Unban script for The Hood. Now shout out to Burley for letting me know about this, like, yo, you want to make a video. So the Unban script was made by Kernelli, right? And in order for this to work, I'm gonna show you guys very detailed. Before I start, make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to my channel. We're almost at 3.1k, and I want to get to 4k by the end of October. So yeah. So as you can see, this account I'm going to use because I'm banned from The Hood on this account. So let me show you guys real quick. Let me show you that I'm actually banned from The Hood on this account. So, and by banned I mean jail ban, which is the very common ban used in The Hood. You just get jailed forever. You can't really get out. So I'm gonna show you guys, because like I said, I want to show proof of me being banned. As you can see, it's gonna be normal. You're like, oh, what's up? I'm here. Yeah, wow, I can play The Hood. I love this game. And then boom, kicked from the game, user banned. Wait a minute. Excuse me, sir. Yeah, so I don't think it's necessarily gonna work for me because I'm actually user banned, right? Because they went into all my videos and banned me user banned, but this script works for jail banned. So the thing you do, you join this group. No, great. You join this group, right? Kernelli. And then whatever, you finish this, right? So this is the instructions. What you have to do is you have to put this thing, right? And then you need to be in the crew in The Hood. And then it works in the group. And then it works. And the group is, this is the group, right? So you join this group, which I'm going to leave also in the description. And then you execute this script right here. And it'll get you banned. So I'm going to leave the group, the script, and I'm also going to showcase Burley's GUI that he made. So here it is. It's a paste bin. Yep. Pretty cool GUI in all honesty. I haven't tried it yet, but it looks pretty decent. So I'm gonna go raw. I know I sounded wrong. Just ignore that. So I'm gonna do this. Just copy it, and here I'm gonna leave it here, so because I'm gonna put it in for you guys, right? So let me leave the script right here. Okay, here it is. Generator, close. I need to go to The Hood, and I'm gonna join in another account and use this. Like I said, I did get perma banned from the game, but if you're jail banned, you can use this as much as you want, and it's gonna work for you. So this is why I'm using Alt-Gen now, because I'm tired of getting banned, and they're targeting my accounts, so I will get banned on each and every one account that I make. But I don't understand, like, if they want to, they can just patch the scripts, you know, because like I said, I'm not trying to like ruin the game in any way, shape, or form, but yeah, that's that. You know, I'm not gonna sit here and complain about it. It's nothing I can do. So we're gonna go into here, synapse, attach, and then put the little script in here, and you can just do execute. And as you can see, it's going to say to join the Discord. So join their Discord, and then you got the Holy Cross, which I don't know what it does. Oh, I'm broke, so I can't really do that. You got Fist Wave, which makes this. Oh, okay, that's what Fist Wave is. I have no idea. So you got Fist Wave, which is a little glitch. I mean, not glitchy, but you know, it's this. And you got into flashbang, so people can't flashbang you. So hold on. Let's showcase the wave. Watch, these guys think they're safe. I'm gonna punch you. You can see it's pretty cool. Has a nice effect. I'm not sure if it actually damages people. Yeah, I'm not sure if it actually damages people, but it looks really good. Really good. Now I'm about to get destroyed. I could have turned on God Block, but I didn't. So I just want I'll let her finish me, just so I can show off the big fist. So let me see if this one actually works real quick. You have to be a little close, I think. Yup, as you can see, it works really good. You can just go ahead and finish the cops. Get yourself some cash. So you can see it's pretty good. And you got another extra here, but whatever. It's Gavy's Adopt Me. And then you also got Burly X, which is it's just like the hood shark thing, but made by him. So you know he has his own little scripts right here. You got baseball, sewer. Yeah, I think this one's way better than the actual hood shark for sure, due to the fact that it has all of these other features extra added into them, which hood shark doesn't even have. And you got broken bones. Don't know what this does. Oh. Okay, you can still damage. That's pretty cool. You can just go around flying, and you got no slow, so that when you're low health, you don't slow down. And then I got God Block now, so it's pretty cool. Let's see if we can troll around with this for a little bit. So I still have like 3 minutes to record, so whatever. We can check more of the features. And like I said, guys, there is an unbanned script. But I wasn't able to showcase it because I'm actually perma-banned. But if you're jail banned, join their little group or whatever, and then execute the script, and you should be able to get them banned. So I think that's pretty cool, in all honesty. Watch, and then tries to do anything to me. I'm like a little ghost. What are you hitting? Oh, I wasn't blocking. There we go. I can do big fist as well. Oh. Maybe don't do big fist. Or maybe you can do big fist. Watch, this dummy just hit me, so. Yes, my fist flew away, so just be careful with it. You don't want to execute too many scripts at once. Because then that's what's going to happen to you. But you see, I'm just really chilling right now. If anyone wants to fight me or anything, they can, and I'm just going to come back and destroy them. So I don't know why that guy did what he did, but you can see everyone's coming at him for that. So thanks whoever's defending me, even though they're just shooting randomly because I was with the hood. People doing the hood. But as you can see, they can't really finish me either, can they? Yeah, they can't really finish me. They're having a hard time finishing me because I have the broken bones. So GG's. You can't finish me, buddy. Just give up. And I'm back, and now I'm actually going to, God Block. This looks so weird. Look at me. Damn, that girl is trying so hard. And people keep trying to damage you. Like, I don't understand their point. Like, I can just do God Block and not die at all. But But yeah, guys, sorry about that. I had to send a message real quick, but like I said, you can go ahead and use it yourself. Get your account unbanned before it's patched, and have some fun, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.